This is Hannibal from thehannibaltv.com. TMZ interviewed Dana White today, who's the president of UFC, and he stated that he is aware that Justin Bieber requested a fight in the octagon with Tom Cruise, but wasn't taking it that seriously until he received phone calls from some very real guys who said Tom Cruise would be interested in doing the fight. And Dana White said if this is legitimate and they actually want to fight, he would be an idiot not to make this fight, as it would be the easiest fight he ever promoted. He also said anything is possible for that fight to happen. He didn't think that the Mayweather-McGregor boxing fight would happen, but it ended up happening, so who knows? This could be the beginning of celebrity fights in the UFC. The most difficult thing about making this fight happen might be getting an athletic commission to sanction it, as Justin Bieber is 25, still in his peak physical years, and Tom Cruise is 56 years old, so I'm sure there's some state that would sanction it. Wyoming has sanctioned bare knuckle fighting, and Alabama has been known to sanction some pretty crazy fights over the years, including UFC in its no hold barred beginning days. So time will tell if this happens.
Thank you for watching the Hannibal TV. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and click the subscribe button to not miss any of our latest shoot interviews, match videos, or news updates. Support us on patreon.com for $1.99 a month to watch our full shoot interviews ad-free and help our channel grow. Follow us on Twitter at the Hannibal TV for instant updates.